Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Check YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off side button or power button to end the calls option in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, I make a call. I make a call from another phone and I am showing what is the issue. Here, I attend the call and to cut the call, I can also use side button to cut the call if I have enabled. Okay, yes. So if you don't want this option, a side button to end the calls, if you would like to turn off this option, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the setting, go to this dialer option and go to this three vertical dots and go to settings here and go to answering and ending calls, and here you go to turn off this button, press side button to end the calls. Now if you press side button to end the calls, it will not end. You can only use that soft key. Okay, I am checking now. I am going to make a call from another phone. I make a call and I receive a call, and after attending the call, if I press side button, just it will acts to screen off. Okay, only screen is off if I press it. Okay, so to cut the call, you go to press this red color soft key. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off side button to end the calls option in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.